Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcet, known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to discuss with you guys about a few projects we did and the outcome and updates about them. And so coming at number one, which is the most important project that everybody has been looking out for, is did the hardy hibiscus cutting succeed? And we want to see the outcome and the product. Well, I did want to come up here and talk to you guys about just that. So in that video, I discussed with you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to propagate your hardy hibiscus, because as you guys know, I am a hardy hibiscus fan and I'll do anything to get more hardy hibiscus. But in that video, there was a little bit of a mix-up, so I am here to clarify that now. So in the one certain type of video, I did say that I was going to attempt to do it through worm casting tea from Vermistera, but I don't know if the video or the solution was released wrong or if I read it wrong. But something I need to tell you guys is do not dip your cutting into pure Vermistera worm castings, because that will burn off your cutting. That's what happened to mine until later on I figured that out. And so you can try to dilute it, but I did find best, I did try it again, so I will show you guys a quick snippet on how my new cutting looks right now. But the easiest solution to do is just pure rooting hormone and into pure soil. I had success that way, so instead of using the Vermistera earthworm casting tea, I would recommend using pure rooting hormone, which works best for me. So coming at number two, which is one a lot of people have been anticipating as well, is me planting my potato mint in the black Smart Pots Junior raised bed. Well, here it looks right now. It is such a big container, you guys. It is getting very big. The plants are very huge, so that means that they are loving their spot. And so I will be giving another update later on in the season for you guys when I harvest the potatoes. But do keep in mind that right now they are not forming any potatoes because we're still in the beginning of fall. They only will die back when we're in winter, and that's when they will start producing their potatoes. So that's how it looks right now. This is sort of like a midway update, and the plants look healthy, lush, and ready to start producing some potatoes, and for me to have some healthier plants for the next growing season. Number three is our ginger bed, which is on the second Smart Pots Junior raised bed, except it's in a violet color. And so that one I talked to you guys about how to grow store-bought ginger. Look at it today. This is such an amazing outcome. We have so much ginger sprouts everywhere. I can't wait to have a harvest video out for you guys as well. So this is a lot of a midpoint updates for you guys, but the ginger's doing amazing. This ginger we planted, it looks like we didn't lose one of them. So they are looking very healthy right now in the Smart Pots Junior raised bed, and I can't wait to give you guys a outcome and a harvest for you guys, because from what it looks right now, the plants look very healthy, and I can't wait to do the harvest for you guys. Number four is the edible sustainable container I did in the Smart Pots crater. I know there's a lot of Smart Pots projects in here, but this one I planted sisu spinach as well as a cranberry hibiscus. These are all plants that are able to grow in the same growing area that will be able to sustain themselves, and they're all edible plants. Here it looks right now. The cranberry hibiscus got very big. The sisu spinach has gotten very big as well, and so I am so happy of the outcome here, and you guys can clearly see that the project was a success. The sisu spinach is so big that you can propagate it super easily. I did release a video on how to propagate spinach. You could go ahead and look back at that video, but that project for me in my book was a complete success. Number five is our blue turmeric. So I want to update you guys on this blue turmeric, and look at it right now. It is producing like crazy. It's produced many pups. When it produced its first pup, me and my friend, we went ahead and took it off and planted it in another Smart Pots crate, and it did amazing. They are so big right now, and they're producing pups. I can't wait to give you guys an update on the blue turmeric. A little recap: it's a very good tuber to use if you have arthritis, like my mom has it, and so I'm growing that for her. But it is one of the best things to use when it comes to arthritis as well as inflammation. Number 6 is the area or the landscape I planted up next to, or where our old hibiscus used to be. Here it is today. It is so pretty. The contrast of the coleus are so pretty, and the creme de la creme hardy hibiscus did bloom multiple times, and it's been raining a lot, so the purple fountain grass does look kind of floppy, but it looked so pretty when the purple fountain grass were up straight and the creme de la creme was blooming. It was such a beautiful sight to see, and that was a for sure 100% success in my book, because that is doing fantastic and loving its area right now. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. I'm so happy I was able to provide updates for you guys. I am so sorry for the little mix-up we had with the hardy hibiscus. So hopefully now you guys can have a clear understanding on what to do on how to propagate hibiscus, because it's still not too late to propagate your hardy hibiscus. Keep that in mind. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and may God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.